Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. Today we're going to be making a caramelized scallop and couscous with asparagus. So we've got a large pot of boiling water on. We have a small pan to cook our asparagus in with a little bit of oil heating up on medium-high heat. And we also have a pan heating on medium-high heat with oil for our scallops. So the first thing you want to do is get your couscous in. So we've got our boiling water that I've added salt and a little drizzle of olive oil to. We're adding 1 cup of couscous. We'll cook this according to package instructions. And in the meantime, I have seasoned our scallops with a sprinkle of sugar, just regular table sugar, or you could use turbinado, which is a brown sugar, salt and pepper, so those have been seasoned. In a bowl here we've combined a little bit of sugar, a little water, garlic, minced ginger, and chili flake. And this is going to be a flavoring agent for our scallops. Then we have our asparagus and our fresh herbs to saute in the next pan. So, our couscous cook. We're going to let these pans heat up for just a couple of minutes, and then we will add our scallops and our asparagus to their respective pans. Alright, now we're ready to add our scallops to the pan. So I'm just going to pick these up and lightly place them in the pan. Get a nice sear on those, and we'll season the other side. Okay, so once you get these in the pan, I'm going to spoon over a little bit of our mixture. This also has lime juice in it. The lime juice, the ginger, a little bit of garlic, got some sugar. Let those cook. Alright, so we're going to add our asparagus to the pan. Give that a saute. A pinch of salt. A bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, so our asparagus has turned nice and bright green. We sauteed it for 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to put it off of the heat now. Let it set. Our couscous should be just about done. Give it a couple more minutes. Give our scallops a flip. Add the remaining bit of your sauce mixture. Alright, so our couscous is just about where we want it. I'm going to drain it. Okay, so now we're going to add our couscous to the pan. Toss that. Scallops are done. Toss this together with some fresh herbs. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice over the top of your scallops. Alright, we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.